Hey everybody, it is the Honey Badger, and today we're going to be working on the Nissan 720. Specifically, we're going to be working on the sound dampening with some Kilmat. Now, on the market, there are obviously multiple brands. There's the Kilmat, there's Hushmat, there's Dynamat, there's all types of stuff. I went with Kilmat overall because the price seems great for what the reviews say about it. So overall, seem very happy with that. I've had a different vehicle with some Dynamat in it. That was great too, but this is a more price-conscious option. So we're gonna go with that today. First thing we need to do is get the entire interior out of the vehicle so we can then see what we want to do, because Kilmat says you can actually use it on or with the stock sound dampening material, or you can remove that and just do this. And that's probably what we're gonna do because mine's really dirty and it's also not adhering to the pickup very well because it's been 34 years in it baking. So it's pretty much cracking and coming out of it. So we'll remove probably the old stuff and then put in the new Kilmat itself. And then we're gonna do the rest of the interior as well. There will be more videos on things we're gonna be doing with the center console, or not the center console, but the whole front dash with the door cards and redoing those, as well as other pieces in the interior as well, swapping seats, things like that. So if you're interested in some of that stuff and some of the things we'll be doing and customizing in the cab after we get the Kilmat in, make sure you are subscribed and drop a like on the video in case you like this or you find it helpful. And other than that, let's just jump into it, start working on getting the interior out and getting to a place, and see what else we've done inside the cab or what else needs addressed. Let's just jump into it. So now that we're actually inside, you can see we have everything out of the pickup. The first thing I actually needed to do was clean up behind here because there's mouse poop up here, and I could never feel any of the AC or heat blowing out of any of my vents. It turns out all of my seals completely disintegrated. So I've replaced that. I'll leave you a link down below if you need something like this, if all of your seals have also just disintegrated between where like the blower and the AC and then the actual ducting all connects together. Mine was completely gone. So we got that all replaced all along it. So now it should have much better seal. The air should go through the system and out the vents now instead of just blowing around behind the actual dash. Also found out while I was in there that in this box we had a little mouse house from probably who knows how long ago. Got that all cleaned up too. Because at this point, since you have to take your entire interior out of your vehicle, you need to address anything that you want because you have access to it in a very easy way. So make sure you clean up anything that you normally would not get access to. And then we're going to continue by removing the rest of the stock sound dampening material that's in the vehicle, which is literally falling out in pieces. And from there, we'll clean things out good and we can continue on with the actual Kilmat itself. But we'll probably replace some speaker wire because this is, whoever did this is really thin and crappy and also strung like crap as well. So we're going to fix that up and we'll move things onward. But for now, let's get the rest of the actual stock sound dampening out and clean things up. Kilmat is now in the vehicle. It looks really nice. I got it laid in pretty much exactly how I wanted. I actually have 4 extra sheets left over too, and I was able to get a couple sheets in the doors and back in the side panels of the cab as well. A little bit up the walls where it's indented in, where I'm not gonna have any fitment issues, so I did some of that. And yeah, other than that, I got it in there how I want it. It looks really good, sounds pretty good too, and you just tap on it. We need to now get the carpet in so we can continue to work on the rest of the interior. Now the stock carpet is actually out here on the floor, very faded where it's light blue. The dark blue sections you see obviously were covered by seats or by pieces of the interior where it is a lot darker because it was supposed to be a dark blue carpet when it was stock. So that is what was in there. The new carpet going in it is actually right over here. It is a dark gray, they call it charcoal. We still need to do some cutting and trimming to make it fit, but we'll do that in the vehicle. And then we will have the new carpet on top of the Kilmat. And from there we can move on to the next parts of the interior. So make sure you're subscribed for that stuff, but let's get this carpet in and we'll see how that goes as we cut it to fit.